So let's quickly take a look at some of the most used tags that I guess you are also going to be using as you progress as a web developer or a coder. Some of the most used tags are links. Maybe when you click on something, when you click on an image, it takes you to another page. You click on a word, it takes you to another page. So those are links, and so to create a link on your web page, basically you open an angle bracket and you type A, just the letter A, then H ref. This is the destination of the link. This is where you want the content to take you. So let's say we want to go to google.com. So type https www.google.com. So this is the link to Google. Okay. So after the closing quotes, you close it. You close the angle bracket, and you say, let's say, take me to Google. Okay. So let's save and test. Let's go back here, refresh. Yeah, we have our link here. It says take me to Google. You can see as I hover over it, the link is showing. So if I click on it, yeah, it's taking me to Google. Okay, it means our link is working. So what if I don't want the link to open on the same browser or on the same web page that I'm on? I want it to open in a new tab. Okay, so to do that, let's go to our code. So in the same link where we have the A, just write target, okay, equals to underscore blank. What we are saying is that if I click on this link, it should open a new tab. So that's basically what this target blank means. So let's test it. Go back to browser, refresh. So if I click on it, yeah, it will go to Google, but on a on a brand new tab. So that's link. So let's check one more. Let's say let's copy this guy and just copy, paste. So let's say we want to go to let's see Netflix. Netflix. Okay, take me to Netflix. Okay, so once we save, let's go back to our code and refresh. Take me to Netflix. Yep, we are on Netflix. So that's just how you add links, and it's not just words. You can actually link an image. You can link whatever you want to the destination. Okay, so let's look at another tag, which is image. Basically how images are rendered on a web page. So to create an image tag, you open your angle brackets. All the tags are normally open all the tags with angle brackets. So your angle bracket, then you type img, for image. Okay, then we need a source, like the source of the image. Then you type src, which stands for the source. Okay, now you want to tell the tag where to find the image. So the source will be equal to so once you type equal, VS Code automatically open these codes for you, but normally you type it, but VS Code help you with that, and it increases your productivity. Now we want to tell this tag where to find the image. Okay, now we don't have any image, so let me just download an image real quick. Let's see, avatar. Let's just get any dummy avatar. Okay, let's just use this one. Okay, let's download this image, save the image as save it. Yeah, so let's save it on the desktop. Okay, save it on the desktop. Okay, so now we want to tell this tag where to find the image. Okay, So after downloading the image, we want to link the image to the want to tell the tag that this is where it will find the image. So you go back 2 levels up, and this is the name of the file, avatargenerations.jpg. So once you click on it, so you are referencing the source of that image, okay? Then you close your tab. Now the image tag is closed. It's a self-closing tag, okay? Unlike the P and the H1 and the A's, the image tag doesn't have to close another image. Once you close it like this, it serves, okay? So let's just let's save it, and let's check if our image is there. Go to our web page, refresh. Yep, you can see our avatar image is displaying. Yeah. It's very big though. So you can see our image is displaying, okay? Then so you notice that we had to download the image before we render it, okay? Now we can also display an online image on our web page from another source. So let's do it. Let's see, img for the image tag, src for the source, equal. Now we want to make the source to be online. Now we don't have to download it, we just want it to be an online source. And what we can do is that we can come to whatever image, then probably just maybe open image, click on open image in the new tab. So we want to go to the main image itself. Okay, so this is the address where the image is hosted. So just copy the image and paste it here. So it's the same thing. Then you close it, you close your tag. Yes. So if you save, and let's go back to our web page and refresh. Yeah, and our image is displaying out. It's a bit large though, but you get the logic. So basically, what the idea is, we can either have our image hosted on our device, or it's going to be hosted elsewhere on another storage. But most times, as a developer, your images, your assets are going to be hosted along with your either along with your files on the front end, or they're going to be hosted somewhere on your own paid storage. Okay, so this is just an example of it. So I hope you are understanding it. Let's look at one more tag before we go. So let's look at lists. So we have two types of lists. We have ordered list and unordered list. So to create a list, basically you just open your angle brackets, and so to create ordered list, that's OL, and I'll show you the difference in a moment. So OL standing for ordered lists, you create your list, and then inside the tags, that's in between the closing and opening and closing tags, you create your LI. So LI is the list items, okay? So LI, let's say this is let's call it item 1, and create another LI. So item 2. So let's make it visible by breaking it down in lines. Okay, so we can identify which are items. Okay, so this is the list, and these are the items in the list. Okay, so these are ordered lists. Okay, so let's just save it and see. Okay, so you see this is our list items. This is our list. Let's just let's close this avatar guy. It's taking so much space. This and this guy as well. Okay, so let's just refresh so you can see the list. Okay, so we have our list here. This is ordered list. You can see it's numbered, that's why it's ordered. Okay, so let's look at unordered list. So the difference between ordered list and unordered list is just the the tags. So let's just copy this, or let's just create it afresh. Unordered list UL. Okay, that's the tag for unordered list, but the list items are the same. So you open your tag LI item 1, and li item 2. Okay, item 2. Okay, so you see the difference right now. Okay, so once you refresh, you see that the ordered list is numbered and the unordered list is not numbered. Okay, so these are just a few tags that we're going to go through, and then I'll drop the link to all the HTML tags you can just use and to go through them, play around. We have table, we have doc type, we have header, we have metadata. There are a lot of tags you can go through. So in the next session, we are going to look at the standard structure of a HTML web page, and then we are going to start looking at styling. Okay, because currently at least we understand the basics of writing content on a web page, on a HTML page. We can write HTML content. All these are content, different tags, H1 through H6, P tag, OL. So all these are content. We're going to look at the standard format of a doc type, because this is just a sample, not the standard format of a doc type. So we're going to create a standard format. I'll explain it, and then we'll start looking at styling, to style our content, because currently all our content are just black and white, nothing, no styling. It's just plain. Okay, so we'll look at that in the next session.